Functions really come in handy when we're also working with arrays. So here I want to show you how to take an array, pass it down to a function, and have it properly return an answer. So when we click button 1, we want our array to add up and respond with the answer. So we could do that all of this in here, but let's say there's many spots we want the array to do this. So we're going to go down here and we're going to set up our private function once again. So private function, got to give it a name. We're going to call it add array up, just to give it a different name. We're going to also always call down by value. Now, here's the deal. Whatever we're passing down to that spot, we need to make sure that matches completely. So, because we're passing down an array, we're not just going to call it number. We're not just going to call it array. We're going to also need to remember, yes, the parentheses. So, by val array, parentheses, as, and it has to match, we're going to do integer. And that's the only thing we're going to really pass down here. Once to know what we're going to return, we'll tell it here in a second, because we're going to eventually return the array. We could return array, and it would be okay. I actually want to just return the answer. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to say dim answer as integer, set initial to 0. And then we're just going to go through and do the array. Just for giggles, let's see if there is a shortcut. Array.sum. Yes, there is. So we can use array.sum and pass answer through and make that I guess it doesn't like that. Okay, no big deal. So for I equals 0 to array.length minus 1, answer plus equals array of I. And we return answer. So up here in our button, we're going to say, okay, label, which label we want to put in? We'll do label 3. Label 3 dot text equals, and we're going to do, what is our function's name? Add array up, and we just pass down array. And it wants the parentheses to go along with it, I believe. Let's see. No, it does not. It does not need the parentheses when it's passing down, only when it's receiving. So we're going to go ahead and run this program. We're going to hit the button, and it added up the entire array, which let's double check. 19, 28, 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. 53. Perfect.